Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today, we are going to make a healthy fried vegetable cracked wheat with sour and soya chunks. Let's heat 1.5 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Cracked wheat. You can substitute cracked wheat with quinoa, basmati rice, or any other millets. Water is hot enough. Let's add 1 teaspoon of oil and salt. Mix well and add the cracked wheat. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. In the meantime, let's cook the veggies. For seasoning, we are using cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, black cumin, cumin seeds, bay leaf, black stone flour. This is optional, but this gives the fried rice a unique flavor. Star anise. Oil is hot enough. Let's add the spices and roast well until it releases a nice aroma. Wow, this smells really amazing. Too bad you guys can't smell it. I really wish you could because it smells really nice. Now add in the chopped onions and saute until it turns light brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell is gone. Add in some mixed vegetables of your choice. We are using beans, carrots, peas, corns, and my favorite, baby lima beans. Add green chilies according to your taste. Let's add in the soaked soya chunks we have soaked in the hot water for 5 minutes. Add chopped sour leaves and mix well. These leaves are sour, so adjust your green chilies according. Otherwise, your fried wheat will be sour unless you like it that way, like me. Red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, turmeric powder, salt for a taste. Mix well and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add thick coconut milk. Now, coconut milk adds a unique flavor to this dish. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes on low heat for the flavors to mix well and the soya chunks will absorb the flavor. Add in the cooked cracked wheat. Mix well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat, stirring occasionally. Transfer to a serving dish. And enjoy this flavorful, tasty, and healthy cracked fried wheat with eggplant gravy. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. You guys might be wondering, what eggplant gravy am I talking about? Well, make sure to watch the suggested video that pops up. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below, and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!